Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma like a pro. We will begin by exploring the foundational elements that elevate your design workflow. Learning to effectively use frames and auto layout is crucial for creating responsive designs that adapt seamlessly. Components and variants are your best friends for maintaining consistency across large projects, saving you countless hours. Organizing your files with pages and sections ensures a clear and manageable workspace for everyone involved. Now, let's dive into some advanced techniques that will truly make your design shine. Smart Animate allows you to craft incredibly fluid and engaging transitions between your artboards, bringing your prototypes to life. Don't forget to explore the vast library of plugins. They can significantly extend Figma's capabilities and streamline repetitive tasks. Building interactive prototypes with multiple flows and conditional logic helps you test user journeys thoroughly. Applying consistent styles for colors, text, and effects ensures a polished and professional look. Figma truly excels in its collaborative features, making teamwork a breeze. Learn to share your designs effectively, granting either view-only or edit access as needed for different stakeholders. Leveraging comments for clear, contextual feedback directly on your designs is invaluable for efficient iteration. Establishing a robust design system ensures scalability and consistency across all your projects, saving time and effort. You can even conduct user testing directly within your Figma prototypes, gathering crucial insights early on. To truly use Figma like a pro, efficiency is key. Mastering keyboard shortcuts will dramatically accelerate your design process, allowing you to work much faster. Make it a habit to regularly clean up your files by removing any unused layers or components, keeping your workspace tidy. Remember that Figma's version history is a powerful tool, enabling you to revert to previous design states with ease. Finally, learn to export your assets efficiently for various platforms and resolutions, ensuring your work is always production ready.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.